This is Cleo's first ever mukbang vlog. Let's get it on. Shout it out. Sabi mo, eh. Oh, it is rice and bok choy. Yummy? Sino nagluto?
It's pepper. I don't like pepper.
Sino nagluto ng bok choy?
Bok choy,
Sino?
mama.
Hindi si mami. Ay. Ano sabihin mo?
Excuse me.
Excuse me po. Laki ng face ni mama, oh. Ikaw small lang.
Ganyan.
Pep! Bilis na. Ay, matatapon pa yan. Ay, wala akong internet. Ano to? Don't touch it.
Why?
I have acne.
At least, bulak.
Gawat.
Gawat.
Yeah. Stress. Stress with you. It's a prank. Bye-bye.